Welcome to this beautiful 2023 built home in Hudson, North Carolina that offers all the benefits of newer construction without the wait. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice the detailed craftsmanship in the welcoming front porch, brick accents, cement board siding, architectural shingles, and attractive garage door. Step inside to a bright and inviting open floor plan featuring beautiful hardwood and tile flooring, a spacious great room, and a stunning stone fireplace that creates a warm focal point for everyday living or entertaining. The kitchen is designed with both style and function in mind, featuring custom alder pine cabinetry, granite countertops, a farmhouse sink, a large island, and plenty of workspace for preparing meals or gathering with family and friends. The split bedroom layout offers privacy with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The spacious primary suite provides a relaxing retreat with 2 walk-in closets and a beautifully finished bathroom featuring double vanities, granite countertops, a tiled shower, and a soaking tub. The attached 2-car garage and full walkout basement provide valuable additional space with endless possibilities for storage, a workshop, recreation area, or future expansion. One of the standout features of this property is the fully fenced backyard, providing a safe space for children to play or pets to enjoy. The home is located in the Maplewood Village, a community with modern finishes and amenities, including sidewalks, walking trails, playgrounds, picnic areas, and charming decorative street lighting. The property is located near to Hudson, Lenoir, and Hickory, making it convenient for work, shopping, dining, and everyday activities. If you're looking for a newer home with quality finishes, a functional floor plan, a fenced backyard, and the benefits of an established community, this Maplewood Village property deserves a closer look. Call Sharon Roseman with Big 6 Properties to schedule a showing today.